Hey Nature Files, so we're here in Brooklyn and we're about to start the Brooklyn to Cowan walk. It's a section of the Great Northern Walk and it's a good 12 k's of a lot of incline and decline, so hey. Anyways, as always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So the first section starts off with a very big incline up. So enjoy that warm up to get the hike started. Oh damn. So after that steep walk up that hill, finally hit a flat section. I'm going to try and savor it for as long as possible because honestly, I don't know when I'm going to get another one. It's a beautiful area though. It's like a eucalypt forest. Good shade at the moment. It's currently, I think, like 10:30 in the morning or something. Anyways, back to the grind. So if you get turned around, just follow these signs. They're a good indicator of which way to go. So this way. So from here, you can take a shortcut this way through the Dam campsite and join back onto the track that we're heading along. So let's go that way. Here we are at Brooklyn Dam. Also a campsite right here if you want to do an overnighter. Anyways, come check it out. So here we are heading through the campsite to join back onto the fire trail we were walking before. It's a nice little creek section, quite rainforesty. Look at that, that's actually quite cool. That's the dam back there. And then up. So, walked up another hill, along another ridge. You can see some water behind me though, that's kind of cool. Damn trees getting in the way of the view. Nature. Anyways, I'm gonna continue walking and quit my whining. It's a nice day to be out there. Now up another hill. This is the joys of hiking, everyone. Endless self-punishment. How well am I selling it? Perfectly right. Get out and get some hiking for yourself. Enjoy. This is just a lookout on the side of the fire trail. Pretty sure that is the Hawkesbury we are looking at. And I believe that way is out to the ocean. Not a bad view. Oh, that motorway you see in the distance, that leads up to Newcastle. So we got water to this side, and if you head up there, there's water to that side as well. We're walking a ridge line that will eventually take us down towards Jerusalem Bay. This is a nice enjoyable part of the walk, so take it all up and enjoy these wildflowers that litter the sides of the track. Less of me talking, more of me walking. Look at this goddamn hill. So we just came from that way, and according to the sign, we're headed that way. So we're starting to descend down towards Jerusalem Bay now. It's at least a bit of shade cover here and it's getting a bit cooler, so that's a benefit. I'm probably going to take a dip once I hit Jerusalem Bay. I won't subject you guys to that view because no one needs to see that. Anyways, it's quite pretty here. Hear the birds? Back to it. Check out this cool cave. A good bit of a spot for a respite from this heat, but I am too lazy to climb up. Cool though. So this here is a fun rock traversal part on your way down to Jerusalem Bay. So take care, as it is basically just a cliff towards this side, and you are the few people who watch my videos, so I would like you all to stay alive, thanks. Not that that's the reason why, obviously. You're great people, so stay alive. Well, that was a bit of fun. So, I just finished an arduous section of uphill. It's flattening out for a bit, but hope it continues for a while because I'm wrecked. Whew. It's a tough one, kiddos. Keep that in mind. Just take it slowly. Maybe on a cooler day too. Back to it. So hopefully we're getting closer towards Jerusalem Bay now. It's been quite the arduous trek down, just because all of the rocks you have to clamber across. But as you'll soon see, it is worth the effort. I'll just have to endure it a bit more for the both of us for now. And then you can come out and enjoy this pain yourself. I definitely should work for the tourism board for the Great Northern Walk, so definitely selling it. Tight little squeeze. And that there is Jerusalem Bay. Oh, beautiful. Water is nice and clear. Seems to be a lot of oysters on the rocks. I'm not sure how safe they are to eat, so maybe don't give it a try. But you know, that's up to you. Don't let me tell you what to do. I'd have to say this is one of my favorite spots along this trail so far. Nice, cool, shaded. See Jerusalem Bay in the background. I was gonna go for a dip. Don't know if I have the energy for it now. And then I also have the arduous climb back up to Cowan to look forward to. So there's that. Anyways, more walking. It's pretty though. Definitely a good workout as well. Despite my grappling. Back to it. I believe this is the ascent back up to Brooklyn Station. Oh wait, I mean Cowan Station. I'm delirious from exhaustion. It is a bit of a test today, considering the weather. Feel the lactic acid build up in my quads already. So this at least is a nice little section. Follows the creek up and should take us back to Cowan Station. It's been a fun track. Definitely challenging, especially in this weather. But as we're heading into winter, it should get easier. Although whether or not you want to swim down at Jerusalem Bay is a whole different story. Pick a sunny day maybe when it's winter. This is, fortunately, the final stretch back towards Cowan Station. We should be crossing over the highway, I believe, before we reach the station. So that's something to look out for, to know you're near the end of this wonderful epic journey, where I am totally not breathing hard because of the incline up. Good times, good times. Almost there, people. Just push through. Yes, I am probably telling myself this. So, as you can hear, or maybe not, I'm walking past that bridge that takes us over the highway. Which means I'm almost at the end of the hike, because Cowan Station is just in front of me. And tell you what, I'm looking forward to catching the train back to where I started and finally sit down for a bit. My legs definitely need it, but it's been a good test because I intend to do the Grand Cliff Top Walk at the end of the week. So let's see how that goes. So I'm just walking along the railway lines now, back towards Cowan Station, where I'm going to jump on a train and head back to Brooklyn where the car's at. Hope you enjoyed that. I definitely did, besides it being super challenging. I would rate this track as a difficult, so take that into account if you're going to go do it. Definitely for the more experienced. Bring a lot of water, food, maybe a towel if you intend to swim. It's definitely an enjoyable one though, so yeah, enjoy. Hope you liked watching the video. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, I'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.